Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to copy the Parkview News widget to your eClass course page. Now this is completely optional, but I had several teachers ask me about this, so I wanted to let you know how to do that if you're interested in doing it. So if you don't know what the Parkview News widget is, I'm on the Parkview school landing page in eClass, or the Parkview home page. If I scroll down just a little, you'll see the Parkview News widget here. There's a slideshow. This is the same slideshow that appears on the front page of the Parkview website. Underneath the image banner at the top, there's a small version of the slideshow. Then it just is updated regularly. It has all the news of what's currently going on at Parkview. Underneath the slideshow, there are also links to open the Google slideshow in full screen if they need to see something in more detail, and there's a text transcript which makes it more accessible for students with special needs. So if you'd like to add this to your course page, you do not have to, but if you want to, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to start by going to the course page where you want it to appear. So I'm going to go to my sandbox. Once you get there, you're going to go to Course Admin and choose Import, Export, Copy Components. Under Course to Copy, we're going to click the button to search for offering and search for the word template. I have this widget on the Parkview template page for you so that you can copy it from there. So I just typed in template. You can click search or hit enter. Make sure the one you choose is called Parkview Template Course Page under the offering name. Select the radio button to select it and then add selected. It's going to take a second. The page will refresh and then you'll see Course to Copy, Parkview Template Course Page. Now do not click Copy All Components here. You have already copied this template course page once, and if you copy it again, you're going to get duplicates and make a mess. So do not copy all. You're going to click Select Components. It's going to give you a warning. You've already copied from this page before. Are you sure you want to copy again? So this is trying to keep you from ending up with all those duplicate items. So click Yes. The first time you copied, Parkview News wasn't there on the template page, so you didn't get it. So you're going to go down through this list and choose exactly what you want to copy, and we want to copy a widget. Don't copy all. You want to select individual items to copy because we want just that one. Click Continue. You already copied the teacher information widget when you copied this the first time, so just select Parkview News and click Continue. It'll take a second. Then it's going to give you a confirm screen. So it's giving you a summary of what it is you're about to copy, and you're just going to click Finish. And it will show you your history of copying. It's going to show you that the copying is in progress. As before, you don't have to sit and wait for this to fill up. It'll continue copying in the background as you do other things. So I'm going to click back on the name of my course to go back to the front page. And I want you to notice that I did copy the widget, but nothing has changed on my front page. Keep in mind that copying a widget just adds it to your list of available widgets. It doesn't put it on the home page. That's something you do separately. So I want to add this to my home page. I could go to Course Admin and choose Home Pages, but an easier way, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of this page, or I think a quicker way. Click on the three dots and choose Edit this home page. And then it's going to bring up your editing screen. Remember, this is kind of a thumbnail of how your whole page is laid out. So I'm going to come down here. This shows what's already on my home page. I'm going to click Add Widgets. And I can search for that widget. So I'm going to search for the word News. You could search for Parkview. Select Parkview News and Add. And it's going to add it in whichever box I clicked the Add Widgets button. So it added it at the top. I don't actually want it up here. So I'm going to move it over. And maybe put it above the calendar. And then Save and close. And it takes me right back to my home page, and notice there's my Parkview News widget on my home page. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.